Here's some Baker's Dozen trivia. Subscribe. What type of bread is typically Italian? Is it A, sourdough, B, rye, C, ciabatta, or D, baguette? The correct answer is C, ciabatta. What dessert is often made with meringue? Is it A, cheesecake, B, brownies, C, pavlova, or D, tiramisu? The correct answer is C, pavlova. What is the name for bread made without yeast? Is it A, flatbread, B, brioche, C, baguette, or D, sourdough? The correct answer is A, flatbread. What fruit is commonly paired with scones? Is it A, butter, B, cream, C, jam, or D, cheese? The correct answer is C, jam. What is a common ingredient in brownies? Is it A, carrot, B, vanilla, C, coconut, or D, chocolate? The correct answer is D, chocolate. What type of pie is often filled with fruit? Is it A, fruit pie, B, savory pie, C, cream pie, or D, meat pie? The correct answer is A, fruit pie. What traditional Italian bread is often used for bruschetta? Is it A, ciabatta, B, panettone, C, focaccia, or D, pane toscano? The correct answer is C, focaccia. What flatbread is often used in Middle Eastern cuisine? Is it A, pita, naan, C, arepa, or D, tortilla? The correct answer is A, pita. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.